Co-design is many things.
A series of techniques and even a philosophy.
A subset of participatory design where you work with the target audience as design partners.
Creating something together as a team with a shared goal in mind.
Oh, perfect.
When we recognize as designers that we alone are not the sole people who should be contributing to the ideas.
You bring together everybody who's going to be involved with that product.
To have their voice and have agency and have the sense that they can contribute to the technology design process.
Helped me to design a game and how I want it to be.
Co-design is about participatory voice. It's about inclusivity. It's about how we change the world with many, many people's brains in a creative, elaborative way. Why co-design with kids? Because we have to. Because we can't be today's kids.
I have this memory of, oh, I was a child X number of years ago, and I think I remember what that was, but I don't. And also, I wasn't a child today. The children are experts in being that.
While I have some expertise in technology and other members of my team have specific perspectives and expertise, the children on our team have the unique perspective of being children today.
Kids know what they need.
Allowing children to design as a way of communicating their really innermost thoughts that are often very difficult to get them to say.
We really don't know unless we engage with children in the design process.
And if you don't have kids design game, it won't look any cool to be playing.
So if we're going to create the best technology for today for children, we need to co-design with them.